Alright, y'all, we back with another two-strand twist video. This is a twist out video. Back to school, twist out. So get straight to it real quick. Ain't no time to do all that talking. You gotta chop too, you feel me? So all you gotta do, usually you put some oil on your hands. Any type of oil matters, but like I'm finna wash my hair, so I ain't finna wear my hair like this anyways. You put the oil on your hands so your hair won't be so frizzy. But all you do is sit there and unravel it. I had these in for like, my bad. I had these in for like a month, so it's gonna be a little tangled. You don't wanna keep them in that long. So, keep unraveling it. Keep unraveling it. Some of this is stuck. So that's what it look like. I'll take them out. How long my hair is, y'all. Done got long, bruh. So that's all you gotta do. Take it out like that. You can wear your hair like this. That's all you gotta do. I'm gonna show y'all when I'm halfway done. Thinking about letting my hair lock up like this. This little twist out. That's gonna be hard. But for leaving this in for a month, bro, my hair look pretty moisturized too. Not gonna lie. But I don't recommend leaving it for a month because your hair can get tangled. But you can though. I did it, so don't do that with your hair. Alright, y'all, so we halfway done. This is what it look like right now. You can, this is like low-key look like freeform dreads. Don't, make sure when y'all twist, don't pull y'all hair out, like don't rip y'all hair. If y'all see me do it, I don't know why, bro. But yeah, y'all don't want to do that. That's how you damage your hair and cause breakage. That's why I like low-key get my two-strand twist small, cause these twist outs like this, bro, go crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all when I'm done with the back. This is what the front look like though. I'm gonna show y'all how to fix it up too. So, y'all look at this new growth, y'all. Look, that's a whole inch of new growth from 1 month. 1 month, y'all. This what it look like. How you get that curly freeform dread look, you feel me? And usually you can pick it out to give it some more volume or whatever. And when you go to sleep, to keep this style, what you want to do is either put a bonnet on or get like some band hair ties, and I'll part my hair in 4 sections like that, and I'll do the 2 in the back. And I'll go to sleep like that, and then make my hair like, it also give my hair volume when I wake up and I take them out. So yeah, that's all you gotta do for the curly freeform twist out, whatever you want to call it. They have really freeforms, but you can really let your hair freeform like this. That'd be hard. So that's it, y'all. Show y'all the back. I don't know if y'all can see it, but that's the back, side, front, side, whatever y'all want to do. Back. Y'all can shake it, whatever. All that, fix it up. Take a pick the roots out. Matter of fact, I'm gonna get a pick so I can show y'all what I'm talking about. got the pick. You just pick the roots up. All you gotta do, bruh. That's all you gotta do, man. Just pick the roots up. You know what I'm saying? Pick it right here, right here. I don't know why I look like that. Just pick it. Just pick it out. Yeah, just keep doing that. Shake it out to your liking. You feel me? That's what it is. And if you want your hair to be like bigger instead of like hanging down like this, that's like I said, just take a hair tie, put your hair in 4 sections, tie it up like that, and then do that to this part, tie it up, and then in the back, split down the middle, then tie it up too like this, and you should have four buns. I feel like that's the best way to do it, 4 buns. And go to sleep like that, or keep that as long as you want. And when you take it out, your hair will be bigger. Bigger, more volume, all that stuff. So that's if you want to do it like that. But honestly, I like it like this, to be honest with you. So yeah, that's how it look, y'all. That's it. And appreciate 10,000 views on my last tutorial. Appreciate 200 subscribers and 100 subscribers, because we gained that real fast. So let's try to hit 1,000. I'm gonna keep making these hair videos for y'all. Appreciate it.